When you start the time clock system, we recommend that the secretary go in and clean up some remote pay assignments. This way, people can only clock in to the assignments they're going to be needing. So what we're looking at here is we're in remote pay assignments, and you're going to want to do non-location and your location. So we're going to start with your location. You're going to click on that, and then up here you're going to put in a pay type. So let's look at extra duty classified. And that's going to show you here who your employees are, what the pay details they have, and then you're going to see right here whether it's a clock in or clock out. So if someone is doing bus duty, they're going to need to clock in and clock out because it's paid at an hourly rate. If it was a stipend type of pay, it wouldn't show up as clock in, clock out. Let's see if we can find one that doesn't have that. Right here. So here, IIL. You don't clock in and clock out of IIL, so it's not required. So that's what you're going to want to watch, is if they're clock in, clock out, those items are going to show up every time that person clocks in. So if they don't do mobility hours very often, you're going to want to make that inactive. So you could just go right here to active, click on it, and make it inactive. That way when they clock in, they're only going to see these two items plus their regular job, and this one won't show. And then another way you can do it is if you want to basically start over clean slate, you can inactivate everybody, do an inactivate all, and then go in and give assignments as needed. Just be aware that they can't clock into an assignment if you haven't given it to them in remote pay assignments. So once you go through your location, you're also going to want to go to non-location. That way you can inactivate people that aren't at your location anymore, that you have paid for some reason. A good way to do that would be to click the inactivate all. So if we go back here to non-location, this is showing everyone that's been paid for some reason. You know, maybe they helped out of your school. Those people are going to be able to clock in to your school's remote pay if you do not get rid of that here. So here's quite a few that are inactive, but you would want to inactivate those. You could do inactivate all. If you have someone that needs to be able to clock in and out, you're going to want to keep that active, but that will help clean up and stop errors from happening. So anyway, that's how you edit and clean up your remote pay assignments. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Thanks.